Are there health benefits to learning how to play the guitar? Well, I'm not a doctor, but my name is Jeff Barlett, and I teach guitar on the internet. Now, because I'm not a doctor, I can't give you any kind of medical advice, but I can talk about some benefits of learning the guitar. Let's start with health benefit number 1, and it's going to be cognitive and brain health. Did you know that learning guitar chords actually helps strengthen memory, problem solving, and focus? Now for health benefit number 2, which is going to be stress relief and emotional well-being. So, did you know playing guitar provides a creative outlet that reduces stress, anxiety, and depression? Well, music theory is widely recognized for boosting mood and promoting relaxation. Very interesting. Let's talk about health benefit number 3, which is social connection. Did you know you could join community classes, jam groups, or go to senior centers and you can learn to play together? Guitar learning does include friendships and belonging, which is very critical for emotional health now and later in life. And now let's talk about some physical benefits of learning to play the guitar. So, did you know that guitar practice does improve fine motor skills, hand strength, and coordination? It also helps with finger flexibility, which can decline with age. And lastly, did you know that learning guitar will give you a sense of accomplishment? Mastering new guitar chords or new songs is very rewarding, and it will give you a sense of accomplishment at any age. It does take some patience and discipline and a lot of practice, but as you practice and learn new chords, new songs, new techniques, you will feel that sense of accomplishment as you go on with your guitar journey. And I hope you enjoyed watching my video. If you enjoyed watching my content, please hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and God bless.